the design for a badge which will be made using wire. Design is a circle inside a square. Okay, that's all fairly evident. The area of the square is 81 centimetres. So therefore, calculate the total length of wire that will be needed to make the square and the circle and give your answer correct to 3 sig figs. So that means if this is 81, A, B, C, D, that means the sides are 9 centimetres, since 81 square rooted equals 9. And that means that HF, the diameter, badly drawn in, but nevertheless, is 9. So HF equals the diameter equals 9. So in order to find the circumference of in order to find the circumference of the circle, we're going to do 9 pi. And I don't think, there's a little bit of me that thinks, is that 2 pieces of wire or not, around E, G, F and E, H. This is really early in the paper, so I'm assuming it's 9 pi plus 81 centimetres. And that would be, so it's going to be around 30 plus 81. So 9 shift pi plus 81 equals 109. What am I doing it to 3 sig figs? So it's just 109 centimetres. Although I would say 110, but I'm not allowed to. There you go. Right. Solve 2f over 3 equals 4f minus 17 and show clear algebraic working. So that would be 2f, we'll times out by 3, 4f minus 17, and then let's just times that out. So that's 12f minus 51, and let's take that away, so we get 0 equals 10f minus 51, and then let's add 51 to that side, so 51 equals 10f. You have to add 51 to both sides. Then let's divide that by 10, both sides by 10, and we get 51 over 10, or 5.1 equals f. And did I do anything weird? 3 times 17 is 51. Yeah, seems all reasonable. Simplify e plus 12 to the 0 when e is greater than 0. Well, that doesn't really matter because anything to the 0, as you all know, is 1. And simplify. Right, so what we're doing is we divide 12 by 4 and we get 3. Then we divide a to the 4 by a, and that means 4. It's a to the 4 minus 1, because that's what that means. So that would be a to the 3, and then h to the 6 minus 2 is h to the 4. And that's your answer. Factorise fully. So what do 12 and 20 have in common? 4. So let's take that out. What do x to the 5 and x cubed have in common? X to the x cubed. What do y and y to the 4 have in common? Y. So we times 4x cubed y by 5x squared will give us this. So that will give us 20x to the 5y. And then plus 3 times 4 gives you 12. That gives you that, and that's y to the 3. And that can go down there. Right. 7. Find the value of n. Okay. So if we're timesing two things out, we add them. So 3 times minus 3 minus 2 plus 5 equals 3 to the 3. So on the top we have 3 to the 3. And then 3 to the 3 over 3 to the 10 means 3 to cubed minus 10, 3. And that equals 3 to the minus 7. So n equals minus 7. In a sale, all normal prices are reduced by 17%. It's very specific. The sale price of a fridge is 6,225 rupees. Work out the normal price of the fridge. So we know that we're going to find the multiplier first. So we're going to say 100 minus 17 equals 83%. And we're going to convert that into a multiple by going 83% divided by 100 equals 0.83. Now don't be fooled. The answer is that the sale price is worth 6225. And then, so that would be 0.83x. And now that's whatever the original price would be. And divide that by 0.83. Sorry, I'm in a hotel room and they wanted to clean, but I'm about to leave. So we do that on both sides. And that means because it's less than 1, it'll make the original number bigger than the 6225. Equals 7,500. That also feels like a nice round number and a good place to stop.